Hi, I'm Tullio and welcome to Optimus Craft Lab. Have you seen a ground man playing with his puppets? Did you? So, I usually build terrain for wargames and tabletop. And today we're gonna build some Vagabond House for my creepy little assistant. For this project I use a base of chipboard and I have this piece of 5 centimeter of insulation foam, and I think it's perfect for our purposes. Now I'm cutting some random ruin shape from this base and voila! I will build this diorama for 28mm scale, and I need my assistant to figure it out how it works. Hi, Jerry the Vagabond. For this project I want to use a Tealight to give the illusion of someone live inside the ruins. This will be perfect, and after our stupid dance around the fire I wanna take some measure where the Tealight will fit inside the room. With my X-Acto knife I cut the edges, and with a sculpting tool I'm gonna carve the interior to make space for the Tealight. Let's speed it up. Hey, look at this beautiful fur. Really, I'm actually a sweetie, not so tiny werewolf. Now it's time to take some measure and with my hot glue gun fix the ruin at the base. Before we glue the ruin at the base, we need to cut out some space for the switch of the Tealight. Now we need some scraps. Bam! With these pieces we're gonna add some details and another wall perpendicular to the first one at our ruins. Bricks time! If my light will consider us to see what we're doing, I'm gonna glue some bricks randomly around the structure. The mighty aluminium ball will give us some strong stone textures all around the ruins. Now we add some bark, more bark and gravel to our base to make some stones and sands all around the ruin. Now I will cut the excess of the chipboard and with some PVA glue I'm gonna add the sand and the gravel all around the ruins. Okay, base coat, and with my super fancy orange glows I'm gonna add the black Mod Podge base coat on the base to avoid wrapping, and then all around the ruins to seal all the bricks, the sand, the gravel in place. Time to take our cheap acrylic paints with black, white, mix it up, and with the dark gray I'm gonna base the entire ruins. While I'm trying to focus the paint, I'm gonna add some skeleton bone to our grey and start dry brushing the entire ruins. Oh, look at this shoot! Oh, you're so good at it! Oh! I will try something different today, and I wanna use this cheap modeling clay called dust to make sort of tent for the entrance of the ruin. But before that, I will create some structure for the tent with a bamboo stick that I have laying around my mess. Have you noticed my video making skill? Do you? Now, with the roll pin from Green Stuff World and the remaining scrap of dust, with the tent in place, I will add some ruined pavement to the base. After 12 hours, the dust has dried, and I will paint it with black acrylic paint. For the tent, I will use flat red from Vallejo, I don't know. You can also paint it with your favorite color. Now I'm starting to paint the base with some brown mixed with tan. I will cover the whole diorama with a mix of black and brown ink. I use a spray bottle and I think it's a pretty good technique that I saw in the video of Death and Dice. Trust me, Leaf is a really cool guy and his videos are awesome. Subscribe my channel and then subscribe him. Time for bushes, time for moss and every kind of flock you have. No matter if you don't have grass, I will make a video to show you how to create a lot of different flocks. I'm using brown sand, green sand and green bushes to add some variety at the base. Now I'm gonna add some moss at the walls to give an ancient look at the ruins. Okay, while I'm adding the final details, I wanna thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell button. If you wanna support me, you will find me on Ko-fi. I will put all the links in the description below. So it's time for some final results.